I'm back again. Now I'm going to recite the second poem, Two Little Birds. In this poem, there are two birds. One is Jack and other is Jill. Okay, I'm going to recite this poem. Listen it carefully and try to recite. Okay, now I'm going to start. Two little birds sitting on a hill, one named Jack, other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. One more time. Two little birds sitting on a hill, one named Jack and other named Jill. Fly away, Jack, fly away, Jill. Come back, Jack, come back, Jill. Okay, kids, listen it again and again and try to recite it. I'll meet you on the next Friday. Till then, bye-bye. Bye-bye, kids.